Hey guys, what's going on? My name is David Pino. They also call me Tipsy Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at traffic generation strategies. Yes. This is all going to be about traffic generation strategies. I am so happy to share this in this video because traffic for me is one of the main skill sets that you need as an affiliate marketer. So guys, if you're here for the first time on my channel, I want to welcome you. This channel is all about skill sets to pave the way for your dreams to come true, whether it's trading, affiliate marketing. And one of the things with affiliate marketing that is the number one skill set that I've always said is traffic generation or advertising. How do you advertise your whole sales process? And I'm not talking about a product or service, I'm talking about a sales process. How do you advertise your sales process so that you start to get more and more people or eyeballs onto your offer? So marketing has to do with your advertising skill sets. That's one thing. And then the second important skill set, in my opinion, is email marketing or copywriting. These are the two things that I think are fundamental when you're an affiliate marketer. So if you're interested in this kind of information, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified for future videos. But also comment, let me know what you think about these videos because I enjoy putting them out every single week. You get at least 3 videos on this channel every single week, guys. So I talk about my traffic generation strategies. I just started a new series, which is how to get to $1,000 per month. So you can follow that along. I will be doing another video to that on Wednesday next week. So you'll see about what's the progress, what's going on, everything related to it. So right now we're in a phase of how do you set up, what do you do in, step 1, step 2, step 3. And I will get to also then the results. And at a certain point, it will be just become the documentation of the results. And you can follow along the playlist if you want to set things up. So we're in the beginning phase of showing you how to set things up. I'm already getting results with it. So that's what you can follow along as well on this channel. So I'm going to jump on my screen and share with you the whole formula, the traffic strategies, what it is for you to start to generate a consistent 200, 300, depends on what you want to get every single month. Okay, guys, I'm on my screen. And before I go ahead and actually show you the results of this traffic generation strategies, what I'm doing, so on and so forth, I did want to say that I have a link to my Facebook group in the description just to show you what my Facebook group looks like. I will just go to Facebook itself right here quickly so that you can actually see what my Facebook group is about and everything else. So the link to my Facebook group will be in the description of this video. So feel free to check it out, and you do need to answer some questions. And after you do answer the questions, then I will let you in. And as you can see, I will welcome you as well, giving you a guide where to start, how to do things. And then in the guide section, you have the whole guides to everything that you need in terms of affiliate marketing. So this is the place where I support mostly everybody who does need the support with affiliate marketing. And I do share and give you guys tips along the way what I'm doing. So it's very important that you do get in the Facebook group if you want. If you don't, that's absolutely fine. You can just hit that subscribe button and follow here along on YouTube. I'm super happy to do these videos. So just to give you guys the idea, this is my entire formula to get to $1,000 per month, or get a consistent $1,000 per month at least before you go and then scale up to anything else. But at least $1,000 per month, that's something that I'm very focused on, that you do reach that. Obviously, I cannot guarantee that you do reach that, but it is possible with affiliate marketing. And we focus on 2 main skill sets. As I said, both these skill sets, you can do things for your entire life as an affiliate marketer just related to one of these skill sets. You don't even need to master 2 of them. But if you do focus on at least getting to an average stage in both, you are definitely going to be getting consistent income every single month with these skill sets. The first is advertising. So how do you generate traffic generation strategies, as I'm speaking about in this video. This is all about that. And then you have email marketing. These are the 2. The formula that I use is based on traffic generation strategies. And personally in my life, because I do have a 9-to-5 job, guys, I do have a day job, and I'm doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle for now, and then eventually it will become my main thing. But right now it's a side hustle. I'm using these 2 steps. So I do not have the time to do free advertising. I do the free marketing as documenting my journey, but I do not make the videos as my primary goal. So the primary goal is using paid traffic. That is how I do it. And what do you mean by paid traffic? So I have what I call low tier or low cost effective traffic sources, to be honest, and then higher quality traffic sources. And I'm going to share with you both of those traffic sources in this video right here. So I used both of them, right? So as you can see right there, the first one is I use one traffic source, one offer to make sales. That's it. I don't complicate it. Step one is just use mileage and secrets, which is an email marketing, which I can send, as you can see, send daily email to 100 to 200 leads every single day. Once people go and buy that offer, I get a sale. From that sale, I use those funds to purchase more traffic, higher quality traffic. So that's the flow. Once I start to generate a consistent cash flow. Now I'm using that funded proposal because it's generating me cash to buy more traffic, high quality traffic. So I'm going to share with you both those sections right here. However, in the lower traffic generation strategies, because I have my step two already set up, I've found really good, affordable, I would say, traffic sources that you can plug in over here into step two as well. So there are some monthly plugins. So right now I'm just spending $35 per month. That's all, or maximum you will spend is $50 per month on traffic sources, monthly traffic sources. And then the profits that you make from there all go into buying traffic and using paid traffic. So I personally use paid traffic to get my results. None of the results that you see on my YouTube channel or anywhere else come from free marketing. Everything is related to paid. If you want me to show about the free marketing, because I do have results on that as well, then that's a separate video that I can make altogether. But for now, I'm just focusing on paid traffic strategies for affiliate marketing. Clear? Great. Let's go ahead and share with you. So in my funnel, what I have is I have two separate pages that I've created, which are basically sales pages, and I only share those within my email series because I basically created these two pages right here. One has one has the traffic sources here, and the other one, apparently I have a weird face in this one, and I have to change this video, but this is going to be a new video for the consistent traffic sources for, as you can see, solo ad traffic and then Google paid pay-per-click advertising. But I will keep adding more as I test. So I have three solid, really good sources right there, and I will be adding more as I go along. So this is going to be one page where maybe I will have, at least 10. I don't want to complicate it, but at least 10. You can choose which one is best for you. Go ahead. So for example, I want to be frequently getting Google paid by pay-per-click traffic as my basis. The solo ads are not my basis. Right now they are, but I want to reach to, keep buying Google PPC and then also doing my own Bing ads and so on and so forth. So this is just paid traffic like this. This is the easy setup. Ultimately, the paid traffic sources that you should be focusing on is learning Google ads yourself, learning YouTube ads yourself, learning Bing ads yourself. That's what I'm also doing on the background. But for now, just to show you guys, this is the traffic generation sources that I use because I don't have the time. I honestly don't have the time. I send my link, and I know that my emails will do the rest of the work. So these are the two things. Here you have all the low ticket sources. So just to give you guys an example, if you click on the first one, it will go to one of the sources, which is Click Engine. This is one of the traffic sources, which costs $5 per month. I'll show you right here. You have two options. It costs you $5 per month or $49 per year. It's up to you. Honestly, it's really up to you. I personally would get the yearly, but right now I'm getting the monthly one because I set it up this way, and I get about 150 to 200 clicks per month just with this traffic source, and they are buyers on it. I'm super happy with it. I'm using it. I know members which I brought in are happy on it. They're on the third, fourth, fifth month of using it. So I'm pretty happy with what is going on with Click Engine, but it is a plug and play traffic. So that's one source. That's a plug and play. Second is Mileage and Secrets. Then the third right here is another one called Traffic Blaster, if I'm not mistaken. So you have these three low income sources. Now, even this, for example, you can see is just, if I'm not mistaken, is about $1 to start off with, and then it's, I think, $14 every single, or even less, every single month. But you can see right here, this is if I click here, I believe that it will go there, and then after, yes, it's just after that is $4.95 for the rest after that. So no, sorry, $10 every 30 days. So you have $10 plus, sorry, let me just go back, clicked on the wrong link, sorry guys. So you have totally all these three low, and this is the low ticket traffic sources, okay, out of which This first one right here, we're using in step one. So this is kind of a must in my strategy. So this is in step one. But in step two, these are plugged. This has absolutely almost no skill sets. Once you set this up, you can really forget about it. So if you want to have two sources, which cost you $15 in total, so this is $10 per month and this is $5 per month. So that's $15 per month totally. You just literally send them your link and you're getting about 300 to 400, 300 to 500 clicks every single month on autopilot. Going where? Going to this landing page right here. That is what it's going to. So I have literally set and forget $15 and $10. Yeah, $15 totally is going for just these 300 clicks per month. So imagine if you really set it and forget it, it's going from your credit card every single month. $15 is not a lot to have as a recurring payment, and you're getting those clicks and sales and everything coming in through your people going through this whole process of email, bridge page, offer, sale, emails continue to grow, your list continues to grow, you're building an asset. You have to think about it this way. So that's the first traffic sources. Now I'll have a link to specifically this page, guys, in the description so you can check it out for all these three and get it. I am an affiliate for all of these three, so obviously I do get a commission, just know that. And this is why also I promote it and I share this, but I wouldn't be sharing these traffic generation strategies if I was not getting results from it. I am getting results. So those are the three for the low ticket. Again, this is lower tier traffic in my opinion. It's not the most high quality traffic. The higher quality traffic is right here, and I'm going to leave a link to this all in the description. You basically right now have four traffic sources. Three of them are solo ad based. One is a really good, I'm testing it out at the moment, but it is let's say wholesale solo ad traffic source, which it costs, you can see, let me show you actually. If I click here, you'll see the first, this is the number one source. So it is, I believe, let me see which one. Perfect. So this is James Neville Taylor's traffic source, which is also premium traffic. This is what I've been buying the last in month of May. The whole month of May, I've been buying this traffic only. Okay. Then you have the second source, which should be Mark's solo ads, if I'm not mistaken. Success with Mark. Yeah, exactly. So this is the second traffic source that I'm using. A little bit more expensive, but high quality premium solo ads here as well. And then the third one is an interesting one. The third one is what I was saying, wholesale premium traffic, which is very cool. And I'm sharing this very openly with you guys. You can see in the description. Obviously, if you do decide to join or buy traffic from any of the traffic sources within the description itself, I do get a commission on it. Okay. They are affiliate links and you can become an affiliate of it as well. But this is something that I'm buying every single week. So as I'm buying every single week, I obviously want to share with you guys as well. And just to show you guys, the pricing here is quite cool. So you can get US traffic only for the usual $90, which is quite for 200 clicks, which is already quite good because usually $90 you would spend only for 100 clicks. So this already would just the same amount that I would be spending on James Neville Taylor's or Mark's or OLSP, Wayne Crow, etc., etc. If I would spend 90 for just 100 clicks, here I'm spending it for 200 clicks. So it's already good offer just for premium US traffic only. I just started to get the 200 clicks for tier one, if I'm not mistaken. No, I got quality unique traffic, which is 80% tier one traffic, which is fine. It's absolutely fine. I wanted to check this out, but I will basically move from this to this just to see how these two are because they're lower, and then I will get 200. But either way, even if I just spend 100, 150, yeah, so I'm $200 per month, you can get 2, 4, 600 clicks easily per month by just spending $200 per month. So this is quite cool to have. This is the third one right there. And then the last and final one that I have is Google PPC. So this is purely Google content that you can see. So they have an ad campaign running and they will add your, that's basically it. They will add your link to what they're doing on Google. And that's how you're getting the sales and getting the leads and stuff like that. So for me, this is pretty much, I don't have to deal with the campaign itself because somebody else is doing it. And I'm still gaining the benefit from having those fresh leads. It's not coming out from somebody else's list or anything like that. It's a pure campaign that's being run on Google, and that's how you're getting it. So that's pretty much what I wanted to say. These are the 3 traffic sources that I'm using. Yes, it does. Let me show you. It does cost a little bit more for these packages, as you can see right here, but it is quality traffic, guys. So these are the 2 paid traffic sources, two main pages that I use for my traffic. And that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys, because without when you see this in action, and when you see these pages in action more than anything else, you understand that we're just following this formula. So all of this paid traffic that you're seeing goes into step 2. Okay, traffic going to a landing page. If I do not have a landing page, guys, if I do not have a place to collect my email address, please do not use this traffic that I'm sharing with you. Everything that I'm sharing in this video is for you to send traffic to a page like this that collects an email address. You should be always collecting an email address in order for you to start to generate traffic and leads and sales. Guys, I hope this made sense. As I said, I'll leave a link to both those traffic pages in the description of this video. And I will leave a link to this page right here if you want to join my email list, as well as get the product that I own, which is called Affiliate Marketing on Crack, which teaches you very ethical ways, real ways of not only in the make money online space, growing your affiliate marketing business, but in general, doing it for the long term. If you're interested in something for the long term, then get on my email list. You'll see the offers that are there. I share multiple offers and everything is here. Otherwise, I hope these strategies made sense for you. This is, again, I want to repeat myself. These are the paid traffic generation strategies that I'm doing. I do not have time to do free traffic, guys. All I do is send paid traffic. So I generate cash flow, and then you may ask yourself, David, how the hell do you have money to buy traffic otherwise? You can take it from your paycheck if you want, but the way I do it is I get sales and then I reinvest back into my business, guys, and I buy traffic. So I make those sales, generate 100, 200, $300 per month, and then use those better quality traffic to keep buying and sending more people to my landing page. So if I go to my dashboard, you can see right here, at least 1, 2, 3 times a month I'm sending traffic, and I'm not doing it from my pocket. So I hope this made sense. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you do want to join this whole how to make $1,000 per month method, stay tuned for the next video next week, which is going to be helpful for you. I do post 3 videos every single week. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the content that you see on this channel. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys next week on Monday for my Legion Secrets review. Have a great day.